Dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is always a pleasure to meet fellow mayors, city managers, and citizens as we work towards building resilient cities and communities. I always look to mayors and citizens to get updated as you are all on the front line like during this current crisis. It is important to know where we stand in order to know where we go. At the moment, the total confirmed cases affected by this COVID-19 is around 26 million people globally. According to the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center, over 863,000 people have lost their life. Every single country in this world has been affected by this global pandemic of COVID-19. The largest numbers of casualties and infected population are in cities. Our data shows that 95% of the cases are in urban areas. This is not surprising, as most of the world's population live in cities. COVID-19 does not differentiate between continents and neither between countries nor cities. Population density, lack of urban health support systems, poor governance and preparedness, they all contribute to how cities deal with the COVID challenge. We need to ensure that going forward, we build back better and greener, mainstream risk reduction policies and ensure our cities are truly resilient by turning policy into practice. Colleagues, we are all in this together. This is why the work of this network is so important. We must be prepared to future-proof our cities. UN Habitat's catalog of services recently launched at the United Nations High-Level Political Forum in New York provides guidance and opportunities for collaboration. This is our way of contributing towards the Secretary General's guidance in the report on COVID and urbanization. As frontliners, I urge you to appeal to your governments to support multilateral action as a global pandemic like COVID can only be resolved if we all work together. We must also make sure we build resilience to face multi-hazard challenges as well. My heart goes out to the people of Beirut who has to face the explosion at the time of COVID and economic depression. UN Habitat is working with other UN agencies to ensure that we help the city to rebuild and thrive again. As you all know, UN Habitat's commitment to disaster risk reduction and resilient building has been proven by the many years of support to cities around the world towards sustainable urbanization process. The rationale is simple. While we all know that most of the world's population live in cities and that urbanization is irreversible, we must make sure cities are safe places for communities to thrive through the generations. Let me end on a more cheerful note. UN Habitat is ready to play an active role in the Global Resilient Cities Network. I also urge you to look up our website for the catalog of services and let us join hands to celebrate the upcoming Urban October. The world needs strong networks to overcome the COVID challenge. I look forward to receiving innovative ideas from all of you so that together we ensure no one is left behind in an urbanizing world. Thank you.